simple bears of recipes. You're in my worries and your lies. I'm in your bears of recipes. Your simple bears of recipes. And that's the end.
I love it. Good job. Hey everybody. We are sitting here trying to get our work done. Say hi, Doug.
Hi, Doug.
And we are about to leave to go get some dinner to celebrate that our house is getting sold tomorrow. And we're also going to check on our jetpack. You want to show our jetpack? Oh, it's charging. Here's our jetpack. I don't know if you can see it on the black. Here. This is our jetpack where we have Wi-Fi wherever we go, except it's not quite working. So we're going to go to a Verizon store and see what we can do to fix that. And I think it's because we have a lot of devices. We've got 4 cell phones between us, 2 computers, an iPad, and we still have to buy a few more for homeschooling. So we just need to get the Wi-Fi situation worked out. Because Doug and I both work online and we need Wi-Fi. But I wanted to show one really cool thing that I'm trying out. So look at this. Ta-da! Washing machine. It's the first time I've used it. It's right here in my bedroom. And I'm very excited to see how it works, because we use a laundromat if we can, because it's just faster to do 10 loads in an hour. But it's nice to have the option to just throw a load in right here. So slowly we're figuring this thing out. Yay!
Oh, pizza level one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you stop singing. Wait, oh, run a band.
I'm getting you now.
Wyatt, it's done. Wyatt, it's over.
Someone's got a splinter. Okay, I'll help.
Here's the evidence. Right?
Okay.
Stop.
Where's your chicken? That's what I want. Yeah, where's your chicken? Wait, did I just kill my chicken?
Hey Flory Story, I wanted to show you one thing. We've been noticing a ton of bird poop all over our RV, and I haven't figured out why, but look, I don't know if you can see it, but there's bird poop all over the top and our roof, and it's because of those birds. Let's see if you can see it. I found the culprits. Here we are at a house in Colorado Springs that is famous because the artist does kinetic statues in his front yard. And there's no wind right now. You can't really see.
I think this is honestly really weird. I just can't this. That someone would just do this.
A dog! Look, it says their name.
See, that one's moving because of the wind.
They look like a bird from up.
Yeah, it's a bird.
Birds move.
It moves side to side, left to right. See, it's moving left right now.
Mom, why is it so quiet in there?
It should be loud because he's building.
I would hate a bunch of
Maybe he
visitors
doesn't build today.
staring at the house.
Come on.